Hi, I'm Mal Harradine and I'd like to introduce you to the new Bake and Twist silicone bakeware from Stella. So why is silicone becoming so popular and what benefits does it have over conventional tinware? Well, it's so easy to store. Look, you can twist it, you can squeeze it, you can pull it, you can slap it up and down, and yet, look, it doesn't even crease. And flexing the silicone bakeware makes cakes much easier to turn out, which can be a problem with tinware. This silicone bakeware will not absorb cooking odours or flavours. It's a totally inert material which has passed stringent health regulations. Stella Bake and Twist bakes and browns evenly with a lifetime guarantee. Silicone has fantastic non-stick properties. It is suitable for all ovens including gas, Argos and electric. In fact, Bake and Twist silicone can withstand temperatures of up to 230 degrees centigrade. That's 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's even suitable for the microwave. Also suitable for making frozen ices and sorbets. Why? Because it can withstand temperatures of -40 degrees. Bake and Twist is dishwasher safe and easy to clean, as you can see. Another benefit is that silicone will not scratch or dent like traditional tinware. Stella have produced 8 of the most popular shapes in Bake and Twist to complement your cooking. So start collecting the superb, high quality Bake and Twist silicone bakeware from Stella. Perfect baking results every time with the minimum of effort. It will give you more confidence in the kitchen. Stella Bake and Twist.